Good morning!
Subscribe!
Nagbabalik. Hindi ko gano'ng kabisado, pero ewan ko to, kapamagin ko. I met you in the dark.
You lit me up.
Lakasan mo.
You made me feel as though I was not. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your heart back when you were drunk. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my
Sige,
chest.
lakasan mo.
And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told ya. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until breaking home. You say you won't let go.
Takpan na sa mukha mo, mabasa na ako.
You say you won't let go. I'll wake up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa, you look beautiful as forever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, I hope you know. Darling, your love is more than what is waiting gold. We've come so far, my dear, you love me, bro. I wanna stay with you until we're getting old. You say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you're there for me, and I need you the most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise to live alright until our vows. So I write this song for you. Now everybody knows that you and me to get on. You say you won't let go. You say you won't let go. You say you won't let go. Oh, I say you won't let go.
Tapos na? Hiyain mo sila mag-subscribe sa
Subscribe.
sa ating kalokohan.